INTRO, calm, ambient music fades in, cut to host on screen host. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the science of meditation and exploring how it changes your brain. If you've ever wondered about the effects of meditation on your mental health and cognitive functions, you're in the right place. Segment 1. What is meditation? Cut to serene visuals of people meditating. Host, voiceover. First, let's define meditation. Meditation is a practice that involves focusing the mind and eliminating distractions. It can take many forms, including mindfulness, guided meditation, and transcendental meditation. Segment 2. The brain on meditation. Cut to brain scan images, host, voiceover. So, how does meditation affect the brain? Research shows that regular meditation can lead to structural changes in the brain. Studies using MRI scans have found increased gray matter density in areas associated with memory, self-awareness, and emotional regulation. Segment 3. Stress reduction. Cut to visuals of stress relief activities. Host, voiceover. One of the most significant benefits of meditation is stress reduction. Meditation activates the relaxation response, reducing levels of the stress hormone cortisol. Lower cortisol levels can lead to improved mood and overall well-being. Segment 4. Enhanced focus and attention. Cut to clips of people working and concentrating. Host, voiceover. Meditation also enhances focus and attention. Research indicates that mindfulness meditation improves attention span and cognitive flexibility, making it easier to concentrate on tasks and manage distractions. Segment 5. Emotional well-being. Cut to visuals of happy, relaxed people. Host, voiceover. Moreover, meditation promotes emotional well-being. Regular practitioners often report feeling more positive emotions and less negative ones. This shift in emotional balance is linked to changes in brain activity, particularly in the prefrontal cortex and amygdala. Segment 6. Neuroplasticity. Cut to graphics explaining neuroplasticity. Host, voiceover. Another fascinating aspect is neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. Meditation encourages neuroplasticity, allowing the brain to adapt and change, which can improve learning and memory. Segment 7. Practical tips for meditation. Cut to a calming meditation setup. Host, voiceover. If you're new to meditation, here are some practical tips to get started. 1. Start small. Begin with just a few minutes a day. 2. Find a quiet space. Choose a calm environment to minimize distractions. 3. Focus on your breath. Use your breath as an anchor to bring your mind back when it wanders. 4. Be patient. Meditation is a skill that takes time to develop. Conclusion. Host back on screen. Host. In conclusion, the science of meditation reveals its profound impact on the brain and overall well-being. By incorporating meditation into your daily routine, you can experience these benefits firsthand. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your meditation experiences in the comments below. Until next time, happy meditating.
Outro. Cal Music Fades Out.